Living at university is getting more and more expensive. In this video I'm going to be showing you my free accommodation at the University of Sunderland. I'll be giving a tour of my room, the kitchen, the ensuite facilities and other facilities such as the laundry rooms and also just the hallways. So as you walk into the room, the first thing you'll see on your right is a large wardrobe. On the left side of the wardrobe there's a rail to hang your clothes, and on the right side there's shelving. Also there's storage space on top of the wardrobe. We get a large desk that stretches from the wardrobe to the wall, and right now on my desk I just have textbooks, my laptop and a lot of empty space. There's also shelving above the desk, and on mine I've got stuff from my last university, and I've also got a load of coffee syrups. At this university we're also quite lucky to have a mini fridge in our rooms. This saves you from having to walk into the kitchen for a few snacks. Beside the fridge and under the desk there's 3 more drawers for storage. There's quite a bit of space on the other side of the room. Here we have the bed, a few more drawers and another door. As you walk into the ensuite you'll see the shower, the sink and the toilet. There's also a heater in there as well. Above the sink there's a mirror with a shaving light, and on that there's a charging port. In our flat we're quite lucky to have a brand new kitchen. Most of the flats still have the old kitchens. We have quite a lot of cupboard storage, and we also have a nice little table that overlooks the river. So in the bottom half of the kitchen you've got drawers and utensil drawers, and in the top half you've got more drawers. We also have 2 fridge freezers, and we share this kitchen with 4 other people. There's also an on-site laundrette where you can wash and dry your clothes, and you can pay by card. In the hallway there's also a storage room with a Hoover, iron and ironing board. There's also an intercom where you can just let people in from outside the flat.